Good afternoon and welcome to NYFP. This afternoon I'm joined by Louis Sulsenti of Pragma Securities. Hi Louis, thanks for joining me today.
How are you?
Well, in today's session we're seeing a bit of a rally in the equity markets, but this does come ahead of the confidence vote for the Greek parliament. Now fundamentally we know what the focus is and risk appetite is back up, but technically what levels are you watching?
Well, I'm basically looking at the indexes. They were hovering around the 200-day moving average and they're bouncing back. That's an indication for me where the market is making a turn to the upside. It broke the 50-day moving average a couple of weeks ago, went to the 200, but now we're seeing a rebound. To me, that's a good indication that stocks are back on the uptrend now.
Well, looking ahead to the upcoming trading session, which is Wednesday, we will be getting the Fed decision out tomorrow, but do you see that having any effect on the market?
I think that's built into the market right now. The economy knows where it's heading. The Fed, I don't think it's going to be raising rates pretty soon. So I think that's a good positive for the market, and I could still see it going further north, as of today. But the interest rates is an important thing, but I don't see Fed raising rates anytime soon for this market.
Well, now that we've covered the broader equity averages, let's focus on sectors. Can you tell me what you're focusing on and if there are any individual stocks you're watching?
Yeah, there are a couple of important sectors that are moving up nice. Basically, there's also like the personal care section. You got a couple of nice SBH is a hair cutting place, salon, that's moving into new highs, eye perfume. You got also a jewelry sector where Fossil is moving really on the upside to an all-time high. It looks like the consumer is starting to spend, but they're spending wisely now. They're not really putting themselves out of the water, but they're starting to buy stuff that it's in their means.
Okay, well, last but not least, before we wrap it up, we've talked about the short-term outlook in terms of equities as well as sector, but for the rest of the summer, what do you expect to see in the broader market?
I think the market's going to trend higher. I think there's good news. There's innovation in in a lot of these companies. There's new technology coming out, cloud computing. The computers are getting smaller with smartphones and tablets. So for innovation-wise, I see this market continually going higher.
Okay, Louis, thank you so much for your time today, and thanks for all your insight.
Thank you.